Hi, all of you. Welcome to Quant Masters. I'm Himanshu Sharma. I have been receiving hundreds of messages saying our videos have really helped a lot of students. We are really happy and grateful to know. Even now, at just 5 minutes back, one student had called and he had told that the same questions were asked to him, which was discussed in our previous videos. So we are very happy and grateful to all the students who are informing us, and we are quite happy that our videos are helping. So this is the first video on the internet where we are discussing about TCS digital interview experience. So without wasting any time, let us start knowing what are the type of questions asked. So hi Devesh,
Hi, sir.
how are you doing?
So I'm good, doing good.
Okay. So Devesh, you had your TCS digital interview today, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So before we continue, Devesh, I would like to know which department are you from?
So I'm from computer science department.
Department. Okay. And which state are you from?
I'm from West Bengal.
West Bengal. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
West Bengal, I think many parts of India, TCS Digital has started. Even my students from Karnataka have texted me, sir, we have digital interview today. Okay. So tell me, Devesh, when did you clear the coding round of digital?
So actually, the coding round was on 12th of November.
12th November.
Yes, sir.
You had two questions, no, if I'm not wrong, in digital.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. There were two questions.
So were you able to crack both? Why am I asking you this is because few students have a doubt. Sir, only if we crack one question using all the test cases, will we qualify or not? Or should we answer both the questions? So what do you feel?
So it is possible, sir. But what I had done is I had done both the questions and
Uh-huh.
I ran both the test cases successfully.
Okay. So both
So
the
everything
program,
went.
all the test cases was run.
Yes, sir.
All the test cases, not even
Yes,
one
sir.
left.
Yes, sir.
Superb, superb. Okay, superb. So Devesh, you cleared on 12th of November. Now, before we continue, there are a lot of students asking me this doubt. Sir, I still haven't received NQT interview dates. I still haven't received what to do, sir. There are students who are who received even Sunday night, 8 o'clock. Okay, night 8 o'clock, they have received. Night 10 o'clock, they have received. Okay, so you don't have to worry that, you will be getting your slots for sure. You just have to wait. The students are still getting it, so please don't worry. So let's
Yes, sir.
continue with you, Devesh. So you cleared on 12th of November coding round you had, and when did you
Yes, sir.
receive the acknowledgement from TCS that you are cleared?
So I received it on 21st of this month, 21st of
21st,
November.
21st. Today is 23rd, right? If I'm not wrong.
Yes, sir.
So day before yesterday,
Day
what time
before
did you
yesterday.
receive?
So about afternoon time.
Afternoon time. Okay, so you
Yes, sir.
had good.
About 3 o'clock or something like that.
Okay, okay, okay. And in that mail, had they given the link to join?
No, sir. No, sir. In that link, only it was mentioned that congratulations that you have cleared the digital round, and you will be in the meeting
Hmm.
for an interview.
Hmm.
So the link will be shared soon by acquisition team.
Okay. Did they mention in the mail that, digital interview? Did they mention that?
Yes, sir. It was mentioned.
Because many of my students, they send me screenshot. Sir, they have just told you are selected for the interview, sir. They haven't mentioned is it digital interview or is it NQT interview?
So they have clearly mentioned in the test mail also, means
Okay.
the mail which was given for the test, like online exam
Hmm.
details for TCS digital hiring for Ninja Toppers.
Okay, okay,
It's clearly mentioned it was digital hiring for Ninja Toppers,
okay.
and the mail was also like TCS Super Ninja in bracket digital interview.
Okay, okay, fine. So you were the topper among the ninja people, right? If I'm not wrong, Devesh.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So people, one thing to be noted, if you are selected for digital, the digital tag will be there in the mail for sure. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Correct. So then you got to know you have cleared on day before afternoon 3 o'clock. Then when did you receive the slot timing?
Uh, uh, Slot I received at yesterday night 11 o'clock.
Night 11 o'clock.
Yes, sir.
Oh God. Okay. And your
Yesterday
interview
night,
was
yesterday night, 11 o'clock, I received the link for the meeting, which was conducted in Microsoft Teams.
huh,
But the slot was given in the previous mail itself, like 10 o'clock, and the link will be shared to you soon.
okay. But you received the link yesterday night 11 o'clock.
11 o'clock.
And when was your interview?
Today morning, 10 o'clock.
Not even 12 hours.
Yes, sir.
So a person like me, suppose if I sleep by 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, and if they send at 11 o'clock, I wake up at 7, 8 o'clock, then I see at 8 o'clock, 10 o'clock is my interview, right?
Yes, sir.
So you were quite lucky over there that, you sleep a bit late and you got the mail.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So people, please check your mail. You can receive it anytime. As he told, sir, my interview, I got to know the slot just 11 hours before. Yesterday night, he received at 11 o'clock and his interview was today morning, 10 o'clock. Am I right, Devish?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so 10 o'clock. So did they come at 10? Did you join what platform, WebEx or Teams?
So it was Microsoft Teams.
Okay, Teams. So 10 o'clock you entered. Were they sharp there at 10 o'clock or you had to wait?
So I have to wait about 5 to 10 minutes.
Huh,
Then only the HR joined,
okay.
and there was a one more fellow with me.
Hmm. You mean to say
So
student? One more student.
yes, sir.
Oh, they're taking interview for two
No, sir. No,
students.
sir. No, sir. Actually, what happened that at the same time slot, we both joined the same link.
Okay.
So the HR came and told us that first we will take that boys interview,
Hmm.
and it will be about 40 to 45 minutes,
Hmm.
and then we will call you. Then you be in the lobby. Then we will accept you.
Okay. So you were the first one to go.
No, no, no. I was the second one to go, sir.
Okay. Okay. Fine. So you waited for 40, 45 minutes?
No, sir. Actually, I waited for 1.5 hours.
Oh God. Okay. Fine. Then,
Yes, sir.
so it actually drains your brain, right? I mean, mentally you get so drained thinking, overthinking at that time.
Yes.
People, whenever such situations come, when before the interview you're getting mentally drained, you're quite anxious, curious, try to have citrus fruits. Okay, either you have orange mosambi or try to drink citrus fruits. It'll calm your mind and brain. Very helpful. I used to follow this was told by my guru and I'm sharing it with you. It will definitely help you. Yeah, Devesh.
Yes, sir.
Then when you entered, how many people were there?
So when I entered it, there were three people,
Hmm.
and those were TR, MR, and HR.
Okay.
So there was the technical round.
Hmm.
No, before the technical round, the HR told me to introduce myself,
Hmm.
and he just stated some particular points on which I should throw some light.
Hmm.
Like, tell me about your academics,
Hmm.
and tell me something about your interests, and
Hmm.
tell me which programming language do you like the most, and
Hmm.
that's it.
Hmm. Okay.
So I told my graduation details and all,
Hmm.
and after that he transferred me to the TR.
Before you continue, so if he has asked you only three questions, we need to answer only three questions. We should not answer anything extra. If he has mentioned talk only about these three, please confine your statements only to those 3 points. Am I right, Devish?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then,
And it was transferred to the TR.
hmm.
So the TR asked me some domain questions
Hmm.
about C arrays, data structures, and OS and all.
Hmm. Oh, he asked you about what?
OS.
Operating systems he asked. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Huh.
And I answered it.
Hmm.
Almost all the questions I answered it.
Hmm.
And after that, it was transferred to the MR,
Do
who
you
asked me.
remember? Do you remember what questions were asked in technical?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please share the questions.
So it was asked that about C.
Huh.
In C, yeah, it was asked that about arrays.
Hmm.
That what were the index,
Hmm.
and how the index starts,
Hmm.
and if you want to copy the value from array
Hmm.
into the another array,
Hmm.
so how this would be done.
Hmm. Hmm.
And she asked me about data structures, that is a binary sorting
Hmm.
and heap sorting.
Hmm.
And yes, about structures,
Hmm.
how can we define them and what are the uses of structures.
Hmm.
And In the OS, she asked scheduling.
What is scheduling?
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm.
And uh, that's it. And she told that yes, okay, he was good. And then she transferred to the MR.
DBMS, was anything asked in DBMS?
DBMS, it was not asked in the TR, but it was asked in the MR.
Okay, we'll discuss about that. So only these many questions was asked in TR.
Yes, sir.
No, nothing about your project.
So it was asked to me in the MR round, sir.
Okay, fine. So after this, you were transferred to the MR.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So there he um, asked me about my projects.
Hmm.
About the two, I have done two projects. So he asked me about those projects,
Hmm.
and I have also done few projects after the submission.
Hmm.
So I mentioned that also,
Hmm.
but he was not interested in that. But he was only interested what was mentioned in the resume.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So he asked me a few questions about the project
Hmm.
and how those were implemented. What was your role, and how did you come across the problems which you faced and all.
It's just basic, right? Not like write the code for it. What are the
No,
drivers?
no, 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 nothing, nothing. And asked some new technologies
Hmm. Like,
like machine learning and difference between machine learning, artificial intelligence, and all. Actually, I had done a artificial intelligence workshop,
mm-hmm.
so this topic came from there. That okay, what is artificial intelligence and why you learned machine learning
Mm-hmm.
and all. So
Okay.
actually, uh, I have gathered the basics of this machine learning and artificial intelligence
Mm-hmm.
just a day before the interview while I was watching your lectures. And
Acha,
thankfully, those lectures are, yes, sir.
I think we have trained for 8 to 9 hours for TCS Digital on YouTube.
Yes, sir.
Correct, correct. Which is still live.
So,
Did that help? Those videos, did it help?
so that is the only video that helps,
Okay.
to be frank,
Hmm.
because he directly asked me that what is the difference between artificial intelligence and machine learning,
Hmm.
and I just simply told him
Hmm.
whatever it was in the lecture.
Okay.
Yes, it was good, and I also explained him with the help of the same example which was in the video.
Wow. Actually, explaining with example is more effective.
Yes, sir.
I think my trainer did explain with examples even when he was training in YouTube, right?
Mm. Yes, sir.
Okay. So people, all the ones who are like, sir, where do we find the videos? It is still there in our YouTube channel. You can go, you can find the videos. We have uploaded 4 to 5 videos on TCS Digital on the latest technologies like machine learning, AI, all these technologies. We have put the video. You please watch them. It will definitely help you. And also, we have started a new program for Wipro NLTH. If you are interested, you can text us on Instagram. We'll be giving you all the details about it. Yes.
So there he asked me something about DBMS and MySQL.
What did he ask in DBMS?
So he asked that okay, where can we use joins?
Hmm.
So I told him that if there are more than two tables and we want to extract the data from both the tables, then we can. Then he gave me an example of an employee table and a department table, and
Hmm.
he asked me that which one can we use and for what and blah blah blah.
Hmm.
He asked the same questions.
Hmm.
So I answered, and then he told me that that you. Then he asked me, "Do you have any knowledge on the latest technologies like ML, AI, and?" Then I told him that no, sir, but I have all the basics regarding this, and I'm sure I'll be able to learn because I'm already on an internship on machine learning,
Hmm.
and I'll soon be able to complete it.
Hmm.
And also have done certifications on data science.
Hmm.
Um, so I think I'm a good learner,
Hmm.
and I would soon be able to complete all.
Good. Nice answer. Huh.
So then he transferred me to the HR.
Okay. What did HR ask you? What were the questions he asked?
HR, he asked me one logical question.
Mm-hmm. What was that?
So it was he asked me that if you have 8 friends
Hmm.
and there is a cake,
Okay.
and you have to divide that cake
Hmm.
into 8 friends
Hmm.
equally with only 3 cuts.
Only 3 cuts.
Yes, sir. And
Okay.
how would you do that?
Okay.
So I answered it also.
Okay. You had prepared on this, or you knew it before?
So actually, I knew this answer before.
Wow. Okay. So
Yes,
this
sir.
is a matter of luck. One puzzle which you already know, if it's
Already
going
know.
to ask, volcano
Yes, sir.
erupts in the heart.
Yes.
Okay. So what was the answer?
So the answer was that I will cut into 4 quadrants with 2 cuts,
Hmm. 2 cuts. Okay. One and 2 cuts. I get 4 quadrants. Correct.
4 quadrants, and then I will cut the cake horizontally from the between.
From between. Between
Yes,
in the
sir.
sense?
So suppose we have cake like this.
Huh.
So I will cut into 4 halves,
Correct.
and the third part will be like this.
Okay. Okay. Acha. Huh.
Horizontally, I will cut it,
So
so I
eight.
will get 8 equal parts.
Super. Very nice. Okay. Huh.
Yes, sir. And then he asked me about uh, this relocating.
That's only one logical question was asked.
Yes, sir. He asked me only one logical question.
Okay. Then relocation. Huh. Tell me, what did you say? Relocation.
Sir, I told that, yes, sir, I am fine with relocating.
Huh.
And I have also traveled from my childhood onwards, and I love traveling.
Hmm. Okay.
Like I studied in Andhra Pradesh.
Huh.
I live in West Bengal,
Hmm.
and I am now currently pursuing a bachelor's in Odisha, Bhubaneswar,
Okay.
and I'm comfort I'm comfortable with everywhere.
Did he ask you how can we trust you that you are fine with
No, no, no,
it?
no. He hadn't asked me.
Okay. One student just he called me just 5 minutes before this interview. He called me and told, sir, they asked me, are you ready to relocate? Then he told, yes, sir, I'm ready to relocate. Then they asked him, how can we trust you with your answer? Everybody tells they are ready to relocate, but then at the end they tell no to us. How do we trust you? Then he told, like how we had discussed in our previous videos, that 4 years I have done engineering in one place, and I want to go out and explore places, meet new people. So this is one possible answer which we could give if
Yes, sir.
they ask about relocation. Then
And then he asked me that, what about night shifts?
okay.
Are you comfortable with them?
What do you say?
I told that yes, sir, I'm absolutely fine to night shifts
Huh.
because I'm a very flexible and adaptable, so
Hmm.
I can do it.
I think
I,
yesterday
I,
night we discussed about this, right, Devesh, when you had called.
yes, sir.
Correct, with examples also, right? Like few
Mhm.
of my friends. Now, if they again ask, okay, if they again ask, how can we trust that you're okay with night shifts?
Yes, sir. Then we should say that
Hmm.
I study with my friends in the morning also, and at times we have a lot of assignments and works. That
Huh.
time we have to do nights also.
Very simple,
So I
real
am adaptable.
practical examples. Sir, certain friends of mine are early birds. They wake up at 4:30, 5 o'clock, and I am fine with that. I wake up at 5, study with them. I have a certain set of friends who are night owls, sir. 12:30, 1 o'clock. I sit and study with them also. I'm quite flexible with the
Actually,
time.
I have friends like that, sir.
Okay.
Actually, I have friends like that.
So you can tell that answers the question to, are you flexible with night shift? Yes, sir. Depending on the work, if it is night also, I'm ready to do that. Am I
I'm
right?
ready. Yes, sir.
Simple,
Absolutely.
practical examples is to be given. Yeah. Then what else?
And then he told me some rules about TCS, like joining. Means he told that if you have to leave the work in the uh, what do we say? Something he told that then we have to pay 50,000
Service agreement, right? That
service agreement.
bond is
Yes,
there, 1 year bond. If you leave in service period, then you have to pay 50,000.
50,000 and then leave it.
Okay.
And one more thing he mentioned that once I leave the company,
Hmm.
I will not be again allowed to join in TCS.
Okay. Okay.
And finally, he asked me that he told me that the next step will be the certificate validations. And
Okay.
if found any discrepancies, then I'll be rejected.
Certificate validation means only the marks card, if I'm not wrong.
Mhm.
From
And
10th standard to engineering 6 sem.
and one more point I forgot to say that at beginning of HR, he told me to show my ID card with my face.
Okay.
And the second time when I talked to the HR, then he told me to share my screen and show me the certificates of 10th mark sheet and the 12th mark sheet and my college mark sheets.
So,
And then he checked all the grades that I got, and there were a few grades which were not good. So he asked me that these are your domain subjects, and why did you scored this grade in
very
this
sensitive
subject?
question.
Then I told him that, sir, these were all new subjects to me, and I actually took some time to understand all these subjects. But now I realize that those subjects are all very easy, and I'm 100% confident that these subjects are like nothing to me. I can do these subjects on my fingertips, and I also appeared for improvement exams, and I had scored really well.
Good, right answer. Correct. You should show that, improvement, that positivity which you showed.
Yes, sir.
That is really good. Then.
So, and I also told him that up to the fourth semester, my grades were not that good, but I significantly improved in my fifth and sixth semester, and you can, it was clearly visible on the screen. So I think he believed me.
But don't tell, you can check, sir. Don't tell. Okay, we are nobody to tell them to check. Am I right?
Yes, sir. No, sir, I didn't tell him.
Okay, good.
I only told him that I significantly improved myself in the fifth and sixth semester.
Okay.
That's
good.
It.
Then anything else that you discussed with them?
So he asked me about anything that you want to ask us. So I asked him the simple question like, sir, is there anything or any skill or technology that which I can learn so that both I and the company could be benefited from it?
Both company and I. There's a big difference.
Yes,
first you place company, then you place yourself.
Yes, sir.
Okay, even when you talk, it shows a lot. First, always keep company ahead of you and then yourself. Not only in interview, even in life, because that is what is giving you respect. That is what is giving you food, shelter, everything, right? So
Yes,
always
sir.
company first.
Okay, sir. So then he told me some key areas that which I should learn.
Like
he told me that be strong in your basics, be strong in your domain, and if you're strong in your domain basics, then you can learn anything very easily, like machine learning ho ya Python or anything. So, and all the new technologies, first of all we should have some basic information about the new technologies, and the rest of all will be taught to us. So no need to worry about those big technologies, but we have to be clear in our basics. And since you are already doing your internship on machine learning, I suggest you to do it nicely so that it will help you.
Good. Okay. Anything else?
That's it, sir.
That's all. Then they told thank you, and they asked you to leave.
Yes, sir.
Okay, superb. So that was quite a good information that you have contributed, Devesh. Now, one more student, okay, he's from civil department. Even he had his digital interview today. They asked him, what is your favorite topic, favorite subject? And he went on to tell something related to civil. Okay, now all of you please understand one thing. Now, when you're in an IT interview, talk about IT as your favorite subject. When you're in your core branch, then talk about your core branch. When you're into railways, talk about railways as your favorite subject. You should know what to talk in front of whom. Okay, you can't go to you're meeting a girl. You can't keep appreciating about your ex in front of your present one. She would feel bad and she would reject you. Am I right, Devesh?
Yes, sir.
So in IT company, talk about IT concepts. So he told civil, then the number of questions that they asked made him stuck. They asked him, how can we implement that, or how can that knowledge be helping in IT? Okay, he told with respect to civil. So he got stuck somewhere. He told he got stuck, and they cut that question and went to the next question. So please remember, whenever they ask you what is your favorite topic, even if you're from EC, Triple E, civil, mechanical, Try to tell programming, coding, something like that, so that that is what they want to listen from you. Okay, that is what they are interested. Okay, though I know, it is not right on my part to be telling you this, but yeah, that is what the HR are expecting. Even if you're from mechanical, they expect you to be good at coding. So you can tell, yes, sir, I'm interested in coding. That is when they will select you. There is a difference between you telling something and there's a difference between you telling something which they want to hear. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes.
So please talk about that. Yeah. So
Sir,
this
and
was.
one more thing I forgot to say that in the technical interview, one more question was asked to me that was about the stack and queue, difference between the stack and queue.
Hmm.
And she asked me about the LIFO and FIFO also.
Okay, okay. So the
That was the
applications
question.
of stacks and queues.
Yes, sir.
Good. So always know whenever we answer, like how you told me, sir, whenever I answered, I always gave examples, appropriate examples. So this answering with the examples is very important. Now, one more student, as I told, who called me 5 minutes back, they told they asked him about data abstraction. He explained. Then they asked him how is it implemented in real life, data abstraction. He told,
Yes,
sir,
sir.
it,
Actually, what had happened at that particular moment, I was not able to create the exact definition of stack and queue. So
uh,
what I had done is just I explained them with the help of example, and they were totally satisfied.
good, good. That is very important example. So data abstraction, how is it implemented in real life? ATM machines, sir. Am I right? I'm only able to transact, but I'm not able to see
Not
what is
able to
going
see.
inside the processing. How is it getting processed? That is data abstraction for you. Okay, so have practical examples ready. Whenever you explain a concept, it is better understood when examples are given.
Yes, sir.
Correct. So, Devesh, any questions from your friends that you got to know, or you are the only one today from your college?
So I have tried asking everybody, but I
Huh.
didn't get anyone.
Okay, no problem. So your interview actually experience is really knowledgeable. We got to know a lot of things. Number one is all these advanced technologies like ML, AI, IoT, and all. If it is not necessary that we know in detail about it, unless and until we are doing an internship in that. So if we know the basics well, that is good enough for the digital interview. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is one. So know all the digital technologies basics. Okay, and if you want to learn, our videos are already there. It will definitely help you. We are also uploading one more video tomorrow evening. That is on 24th of November. We'll be uploading one final video that will also help you a lot in the digital technical interview. Okay, and one more thing which I got to know is many people were scared. It will be tough. How will it be and all? It is not that tough. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
It is not that tough. If you have cleared the coding, it shows that you have the capability. And in HR, they will not ask you tough questions. I have asked with other students also, 3 to 4 students have told me, sir, my interview went only for 10-15 minutes, sir, where they're not interested at all. It is not about that. Okay. It is about you have already proved in the coding round. So might be that they want something to be tested in your HR with respect to HR or MR. So they would have tested. If they have not asked anything about technical, again, you don't have to worry. So because many students texted me, Devesh, they even called me. They told, sir, digital interview, sir, they did not ask even a single technical question, sir. They asked only HR based, MR based questions.
Yes. So I also thought that they would ask something really big questions in technical, but it
Ah,
was quite simple. They kept it
correct,
quite simple.
correct, correct. Okay. So Devesh, I think I'm sure that whatever information that you have given will definitely help a lot of students. Any statement from your end, anything that you would like to tell us?
Yes, sir. From the beginning of the TCS NQT hiring,
Huh?
I was a bit scared, like what will happen and how things will go on. And obviously, this is basic thinking
Huh?
that how things will go and all.
Hmm.
But what I felt is that the
Huh?
selection process is very, very smooth.
Correct.
I, actually, there was no pressure at all.
Hmm. And the HRs are
We,
friendly.
yes, sir, HR is also friendly.
Hmm.
Cleared the NQT, it was simple. And then it was digital. The
Hmm.
coding was also average. I wouldn't say it is that difficult.
Hmm.
It was okay.
Okay.
So the interview was also, I actually took a lot of tension for the digital interview. that because it is a big opportunity, the interview is also going to be a bit difficult. But I felt good, and after the interview, there was a confidence in me of 200% after the interview.
And that happens. That happens.
That I can do. Yes, I just gave the interview. Yes, what happened? Nothing.
Some accomplishment type of feeling you get.
Yes, sir.
Correct. Good. Because that tension would go, no, that nervousness would go. After nervousness goes, confidence improves more.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I wish you all the best for your result, Devesh.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
I hope and I pray that you get selected for digital profile.
Thank you, and all thanks to you, sir. You were the one who cleared all the doubts in my mind.
Yesterday you called me, on night you called. When you called, I was having Belpuri. Okay, so 15 minutes we had a talk. After that Belpuri went off. Then I ordered another one. So you owe me a Belpuri.
Sure, sir. I owe you a big party.
Yeah. So all the best. Do let me know when you get your results. I'm sure you will be selected for the type of answers that you have given. I'm very sure you will be selected. All the best with your results.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So this was Devesh from West Bengal who had his TCS digital interview today, and we have shared the experience. I'm sure that this experience video would definitely help you to prepare better. Focus more on the basics, focus on your internship, and focus more about yourself. Keep improving your confidence. Any doubts, any issue, you can leave us a text. We will be happy to help you out. Take good care of yourselves. Keep smiling, and all the best.